Chefs, please open your baskets. Goat brains.
Oh, man. God. Are you
Rocky
serious?
Mountain oysters.
Cracking.
And mashed potato candy. 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now. Are you ready for this? And we have whole chicken in a can.
Nope, I'm not gonna cry. Don't do it.
30 minutes on the clock. Let's start it now.
This is a mess.
This is disgusting.
Now, what do you do with that?
It's really difficult.
Give a choice to us?
There's no way that I'm using the actual chicken from the can.
To be a great chef, I feel like you have to be able to do everything and anything.
I'm cracking.
And goat brains.
This is cruel.
I've never cooked goat brain, but I cooked lamb brain. I know it has some tissues, so I wanted to be delicate with that.
I'm gonna poach off these brains.
I want to start cooking my goat brain at the right moment and just brown them in some butter with a little thyme and garlic. I'm gonna add a few slices of chili, just waking that richness up and letting it know that it's not gonna be the boss of the whole dish. I made for you today a seared goat brain with a little bit of curry on a very acidic mustard vinaigrette with celery, melon, kohlrabi, and parsley.
This plate is so well balanced and thoughtful.
Brilliant.
Doesn't that taste like bacon? Is
Brilliant.
it
I thought it was.
amazing?
I thought it was bacon for a second.
Rocky Mountain oysters.
Oysters, Rocky Mountain oysters, like seriously.
So just to be clear, these are veal testicles.
Do I really have to cook with veal testicles right now?
The first thing they do is throw Rocky Mountain oysters at you, and you're like, why?
What is happening right now? What is happening?
Oh my God. Cedric is making raw Rocky Mountain oyster and spinach mousse.
You can't eat those raw.
Oh my God, what?
Rocky Mountain oyster mousse?
No!
It's really risky, but I'm like, no going back now.
Chef Cedric, what have you made?
Chefs, I've made for you a Rocky Mountain oyster spinach tortellini with a brown lemon butter sauce and a radicchio tricolore salad.
Several hearts skipped several beats the moment you dropped that oyster into the food processor and turned it on.
Horrified, I think is the word.
I died a little inside.
Sorry about that, Chef.
I think that was really, in hindsight, brilliant. I'm giving you such a high score on creativity.
Chef Nicole, Chef Owen, please open your baskets. And mashed potato candy. 30 minutes for the dessert round.
Mashed potato candy.
I'm afraid we're in for a very cloying dessert.
All I can taste is sweet. It needs more flavor than just sugar.
The biggest surprise is your milk chocolate mashed potato cream. It's delicious.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
my God.
And durian.
It's my worst nightmare right here. This durian fruit is freaking me out. I mean, the thing looks like an alien egg.
Thailand's king of fruits, famous for its rich flavor, custardy texture, and deeply terrible smell.
This durian fruit's really stinky. I know generally that it's best to try to mask the flavor.
I'm gonna make a durian and saffron foam. Take out the flesh from the durian, mix with the cream, milk, and little butter.
This definitely is too durian forward. Did you taste the durian?
No.
Spicy gummy peppers.
Oh God. Those gummy pepper, they are super.
There's 3 different colors, 3 different heats.
And the red is actually the ghost pepper.
And apparently it's said that ghost pepper is used in the hand grenades in the Indian army.
That is one mean hombre.
Good afternoon, chefs. What I've prepared for you is an adobo boneless short rib with a smoked turkey and pinto bean puree and a spicy gummy pepper gastrique.
I think you were successful with the gummy peppers. I mean, even though you chose the spiciest flavor of them all, you were able to tamp down that spiciness with the vinegar. And the meat is tender, which is key.
And you must use finger limes.
Finger limes, they're kind of like the caviar of citrus.
I'll tell you what doesn't need any cooking are those finger limes.
Over here, you have Florian, who puts them in a pot, and I think he put some sugar, and he's cooking them.
I need a moment of silence.
I'm eating, all of a sudden I'm getting a piece of finger lime, and it's like chew, chew, chew. You can't really chew that skin.
And we have leftover pizza.
leftover ingredients, I immediately go into panic mode, and I'm trying to hide all the fear going on in my body right now.
The pizza is shocking because it's already in its end form. So it's hard to conceptualize what you're gonna do with it.
I'm gonna make a sauce out of it, and I'm hoping that it tastes good because it could go terribly wrong and be nasty.
I saw a statistic that 93% of Americans eat pizza, and what I want to know is, what's wrong with that 7%? What's your problem?
I know, right?
Yeah, this is panko breaded eggplant with beer and pizza sauce and a dried plum vinaigrette.
I'm in awe. 20 minutes. Never would have expected this dish. This is actually a very well composed dish that could go on someone's restaurant.
It's pretty cool.
What the hell? Okay. An ostrich egg.
Are you serious? Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got a hammer and a chisel going into the ostrich egg. They average 3 pounds.
The equivalent between 16 and 24 chicken egg yolks.
I just hit it and crack it open entirely. So, I mean, save me time. The yolk is really, really thick. Interesting basket.
Please open your baskets. And you must use sea cucumber.
Well, here we are, you know, redemption episode, they get sea cucumber. Do you think they're happy they came back?
The sea cucumber, also known as the sea slug, it's actually not a vegetable, it's a critter.
Little slimy, little chewy.
I have no freaking idea what a sea cucumber is. It tastes like leather, but softer.
Mandatory mystery ingredients for every course. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped.